Hi everyone, a quick video today in order to show a new plugin that have been developed by Ronan Hello, thanks to an inspiration that I gave him. So let's start by the issue that I was interested in fixing. When you create a theme within Matomo, so theme over here, it's kind of let's say, I'm not going to say that it's kind of a mess, but it requires that you create a full plugin and it's kind of heavy. And I was thinking of why not having something named like a custom theme in which we could just install once and then change the colors according to our wishes within the backend of Matomo. And when I suggest this idea to Ronan, he told me that we could go further than this by being able to inject any other type of code within Matomo in order, for example, to fix some bugs that we would like to get fixed. And that's where he finally got the idea of creating something named Code Injector, which, as its name stands for it, allow you to inject some code within your Matomo. So the idea is to act within your Matomo in order to add additional layers of code on it. So in fact, what it's doing at the end of the day for the theme, because that's what was intended at the beginning, it's like offering you another possibility to create themes, because normally themes are created by using either PHP or CSS. And in fact, here you can use it in order to add an extra layer of code, which of course will be a little bit different, but definitely working well by using services such as ChatGPT. So let's see about how it looks like. So once the plugin is installed, you just go over here within the system. And within the system, you get something named Code Injector, which, as its name stands for it, allow you to inject some code. So this is how it looks like. And then you can go, for example, in ChatGPT and ask, okay, please create me a theme for my Matomo. It won't do it perfectly because it doesn't really know what are different elements which are composed of Matomo, but it's going to give you at least a good basis in order to start. So you can go over here, you paste it, and then you just need to add, in our case, the style part. So style as it's CSS. Of course, this plugin is only available for on-premise installation and only for super user, because as you can imagine, you can inject any kind of code, of malicious codes or whatever. So by the way, I never tested it on a real on-premise installation. This one is a local one. So here I'm clicking on save, and as a result now, if I save over here, so here I asked for an Halloween theme. As you can see, I'm getting some changes. Here, as I was saying it before, ChatGPT doesn't know yet let's say, the structure of CSS of Matomo. So you will need to go one by one. So for example, here, that's the widget name. So, okay, add me. Okay. As a class to, okay. And of course, the ID will be that you can, like this, just go up to, let's say, the end of your theme. Oops. I'm gonna precise as well that I would like to get a font. Add me an Halloween font as well. Okay, here unfortunately I don't have any external link, please. The external link. I don't know if you can do it or not. Let's see. I don't think it will. It will do it. No, it's not going to make it. Anyway, let's just copy this code. The idea was to show you the change occurring. So of course you can do it with whatever you want. Oops. So normally, if I did the things well, this part should change. And it has been changed. So as you can see, well, of course, you need to make after that some adjustment on and on, but at least now you can do it directly from the user interface of Matomo without going back within your source code, changing the plugin, uploading it, and so on and so forth. So all from the backend. Hope you enjoyed this video, and once more, thank you, Ronan, for creating this great plugin.